Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upscale images in Photoshop. It's really simple and easy. First of all, navigate to image size to specify your settings. You can then increase the resolution to your target number, and you can also increase the width and height values as well. Make sure the resample checkbox is selected, then select preserve details. Enlargement from the drop down. You can then play around with the reduce noise slider to find a setting that looks good. 20% is a safe default number. One pro tip is to sharpen your images after you've performed the upscaling. Click filter, sharpen, unsharp mask, then play around with the slider until you find the optimal setting for your images. Amount 100%, radius 2 pixel and threshold 1 level is a good starter setting. Sharpening after an upscale can help to reduce the blurriness and bring out some of the fine details. If you are upscaling a large number of images, you can easily automate this process inside of Photoshop. First, open the action panel, then click on plus icon to create a new action, input a name, click record, then perform your upscale steps on the current image. Next, click File, save a copy and save as your desired file type. You can then click the stop button to finalize the action. You can then perform this action on an entire folder of images. Click File, Automate Batch to set up your batch process. Select your action from the drop down, specify the source folder of your image, then select the destination folder, and then you will save to. Make sure the three checkboxes are selected, then click OK to automatically upscale your entire folder of images. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to upscale images in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.